Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create SOLFLARE Wallet account. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you simply need to search for SOLFLARE. Now once you have found the SOLFLARE Solana wallet application, you just have to tap on the install button and you simply need to install it in your device. Afterwards, you need to tap on the open button in order to launch your SOLFLARE wallet, and once you are on the home page, you are going to see this welcome page in front of you, where in the bottom you are going to see various options to log in or to create your wallet. Here first you will be able to see the create new wallet option. Next we have the option of restore wallet. If you want to continue with Ledger or Keystone, then you can also do it on SOLFLARE wallet. So in order to create a fresh account, you need to tap on the create new wallet option. Then it will show you that your recovery phrase is a backup key for your wallet. So you will be able to see all of these prompts. So you just have to press continue in the bottom. Then it will show you your recovery phrase. So you just have to tap on the show button and it will show you your recovery phrase, which you need to copy, and you just have to paste it somewhere safe place, because there is no way to recover your wallet if you lose this recovery phrase. So you need to make sure that you restore it in a safe place. So if you tap on the show button, you will be able to see your recovery phrase. So for this video I'm going to tap on the skip for now option. So once you do this, you will be landed on the next page where you will be asked to enter your passcode. So here you just have to enter your passcode. After that it will ask you to confirm your passcode, so you just have to confirm it. Then it will ask you whether you want to enable biometrics for your SOLFLARE wallet. So if you want to do this, then you need to tap on the enable button, but for this video I'm going to tap on not now. Then it will ask you to enable notifications, so you just have to tap on the enable notifications and press the allow button, but for this video I'm going to keep it as not now. So after doing this, you will be able to see the home screen of your SOLFLARE wallet as you have successfully created your SOLFLARE wallet account. Now on the home page you are going to see various options like receive, buy, swap, stake and send, and here you will be able to see all of the assets that you currently have. So in the bottom you are going to see this section where you are going to see all of your collectibles. Then we have the option of browser in the bottom where you can explore and connect to the decentralized web. In the bottom right hand corner you are going to see the setting button. So if you tap on the setting icon, you will be landed in your settings, where in the general setting you can change your language, theme, currency and the network. Next we have the address book where you can manage your contacts. Next we have the notifications where you can enable and disable your notifications. If you want to add extra layer of security to your wallet, then you can tap on the security and the privacy option, and here you will be able to various security options. So if you come back to the wallet page, you are going to see these three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner. So if you tap on it, you are going to see your main wallet. Now if you want to make any changes into it, then you need to tap on the edit button, and then if you want to add a new wallet into it, then you need to tap on the add wallet button, and you will have to follow the same steps as you did previously in order to create your SOLFLARE account newly. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.